Ethan Pham, and Angeli Leonore Zalameda. Congratulations. And this last category of students earned a 4.0 GPA all 3 years of middle school. Mason Berg, Nayed Bayi, Sabrina Din, Marissa Machado, Hannah Wynn, Precious Omalafe, Ethan Pham, Jocelyn Scott, Joycelyn Scott. Thank you for finally correcting me on the last day of school 3 years later, Father. Brian Vu.
Woo.
Brooke Young. And Angeli Leonore Zalameda. Congratulations, students. Again, keep up that hard work as you enter high school. Thank you so very much. You may take your seats. Congratulations.